Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Well, good evening. Welcome back in. A decent weekend ahead as the sunshine comes back for us as we roll into our Saturday. That's after a freeze warning that's in play. I'll touch on that in a moment. Temperatures are going to warm up for us too, though, which is a good theme as we get into it. A mostly dry weekend, a change of pace from what we've been having over the past few days. But rain chances, maybe some thunderstorms return Sunday evening, something we're going to be watching closely as we get closer to that solar eclipse forecast for Monday. High temperatures today struggled again, mid to upper 40s across the board. Cloud cover, spotty showers kept us under the cooler weather. Now we're going to continue to push into the better stuff as we get into the weekend. 57 tomorrow, 64 for Sunday. Partly cloudy on both days. Plenty of sunshine in the mix with some cold starts to get into them. That's what the next big thing is, a freeze warning for us, for everybody, for 2 a.m. to 10 a.m. on Saturday. That just means the coldest part of our day is going to be when we get up and get moving. We're going to be seeing those air temperatures down below freezing for some spots, maybe even dipping into the upper 20s. Chilly, winter-like for us for sure, but it's springtime and we get a lot of adjustments here. We're going to see most of those lows right around 30 degrees. The cloud cover clearing is the biggest part on keeping those temperatures down that cold. We'll see how things plays out. Now, if you're heading out to Keeneland tomorrow, well, things get better for us in the afternoon. Wind chills in the 20s to start the day, but in the afternoon, those high temperatures get back into the upper 50s. With the sunshine, that should feel pretty good. Still might want to dress a little on the warmer side, though. Those winds are going to be cold coming in out of the north, 5 to 10 to 15 miles an hour. You'll feel that cutting through. Now, Sunday, southeast winds develop, and that brings us to the warm front. That gets things better as we get into our Sunday afternoon. 60s on Sunday should be pretty good. Still dealing with satellite and radar showing some spotty rain chances for us here this evening. We are close to being done with this system. It's well off to the northeast now. We can see the edge of the cloud cover, northern Illinois, northern Indiana. It's starting to separate. All of that following the low, and we'll be in the clear once we get into tomorrow. Sunday now is something we're going to have to keep a close eye on because there is a level 1 risk for isolated severe storms, mainly in western Kentucky. We'll probably see the remnants of those storms as they come through. Watch Futurecast pull us in here. The spotty rain, gone. We're going into Saturday morning in the sunshine, and then we start to see into Sunday morning plenty of sunshine, but here comes the warm front. Here's those storms. They develop along the cold front. They're strongest in western Kentucky. As they get into central and eastern Kentucky, they start to fizzle out. Then as we get into our Monday, the big day for the total eclipse, is when we're going to start to see some clearing. Latest models are suggesting that we do clear things out enough. Maybe some clouds to obstruct, but should be good viewing here across the state as those storms wrap up early Monday morning. And that's the fun part for us here as we get into the rest of next week. Can't say the same. Lots of chances for showers and thunderstorms coming our way. Jordan?